Welcome. You're watching ARH's How-To video series. In this video, you'll see how to visualize OVD. OVD stands for Optically Variable Device. Personal identification documents contain some kind of OVD for security reasons, making forgery as difficult as possible. OVD is a security feature that exhibits various optical effects such as movement, shining, or color change. For example, it can be a hologram or a pattern printed in optically variable ink. Open Full Page Reader. In the Options menu, open the Capture tab. As you can see in the Lights section, there is an option to enable OVD. Leave reflection removal switched off. Switch on OVD. Please note that OVD is visualized under visible white light. Make a scan. In the upper line, an image called OVD and an image called Clean OVD appear. Double-click on OVD to enlarge. Clean OVD shows OVD elements extracted from the visible white image. Now open the Options tab again and switch on Reflection Removal. Make a scan again. Now, let's compare visible white image with the OVD version. As you can see, reflection removal took off the glare from OVD elements, giving a solid tone to the image. Click on OVD. As you can see, the hologram is clearly visible here. Thanks for watching. For staying updated, make sure to subscribe to our channel.